Hi there. Welcome to our tutorial on side menu settings. Are you finding it difficult to design your side menu? With side menu being an essential part of your mobile app, customers rely on them heavily for navigation and quick accessibility. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through all the options available on the side menu settings page of Swipecart. On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the edit icon on your current design where you want to customize the side menu settings. Select Theme Settings. Click Side Menu Settings. You can now change the display style format of your side menu by clicking the drop-down box at the center. As you select a format, you can see the selected display style on the center screen. Select the shuffle icon to preview the next format and keep it as your side menu style. In the right side panel, you can see the list of items added to the side menu. If you need to add a new item to the side menu, all you have to do is tap on Add a Menu Item here. You can add the item name. You can also choose a font style and font weight. Include an icon for your menu item for visual engagement. You can either select an icon from our icon library or upload a custom icon from your computer. While choosing from the icon library, go through the available categories and select the right font for your menu item. Here, you can also set the layout of the icon from the thin, outline, or fill choices. To upload a custom icon, enable the Upload Custom Icons toggle. You can upload a suitable icon image from your computer. Please ensure the maximum dimensions of your customer icon is within 512 by 512 pixels. Once the customization is done, select the link to which the customers have to be redirected when they select this option from the side menu. Click Submit. A new menu item is added to your list. Modifying your existing menu items is simple with Swipecart. Select the More icon of any option, say, Favorite. Here, you can add a submenu item, edit it, or delete it. Let's start with creating a submenu. Click Submenu Item to add a name for the submenu. You can link it to a user-defined, system-defined, collections, or any web URL. If needed, you can click None to stop redirecting it to any page. Click Submit to complete creating a new submenu. Click Edit to view the Edit Menu Item pop-up. Here, you can change the menu name, font style, and font weight. If needed, you can delete the existing icon and replace it with a new icon. You have the option to select an icon from our icon library or upload a custom icon from your computer. To choose from the icon library, click the drop-down. You can also set the layout of the icon from the thin, outline, or fill options. To add an image from your computer, take the Upload Custom Icons route. On enabling the Upload Custom Icons toggle, you can upload a suitable icon image from your computer. Please ensure the maximum dimensions of your customer icon is within 512 by 512 pixels. Finally, select the link to which the customers have to be redirected when they select this option from the side menu. Click Submit to see the changes. Likewise, you can also edit or delete the submenus. Before we wrap up our tutorial, let's go through the Advanced Settings option. Here, you can control whether to show or hide your side menu. You can also decide if you want to show or hide the icons in the menu list. You can change the name and icon of the login and logout options. Let us show you how to get it done for the login option. Click Edit. Here, change the name and icon of the option. You can either choose from the icon library or upload a custom icon image from your computer. Here also, the icon size should be between 512 by 512 pixels when you upload it from your computer. Select Done to save the changes. You can choose a uniform color for your icon and fonts in your menu. To add a background image for your menu, enable the Menu Background toggle. Here, upload a suitable image from your computer. The maximum size of the image should be 1125 by 2436 pixels and a maximum of 5 megabytes. Save the changes. If you want to be the first to experience it, select Preview to see the updated side menu on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view the side menu on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with designing your app. If you have any issues or queries, contact our implementation specialist or contact our support team. Thank you for watching.